you. The title of my presentation will be Facile and Effective Amide Bond Formation through Direct Acylation with Inactivated Esters. So briefly, the essence of our work is concerning the amide bond formation, like one of the most important topics in organic synthesis. Like decades of work have been dedicated to this topic and this problem, and many different synthetic approaches have been developed over the years. But nowadays, with new requirements about the greenness of the chemical processes and the sustainability of the chemical processes, some of those early approaches are going out of fashion. So, for example, the using of coupling agents, which is classical for amide bond formation, is less and less popular because it creates a lot of waste materials. Also, metal catalysts are considered toxic and unwanted in this kind of process. Harsh reaction conditions like heating or pressure is also considered non-usable these days because of the loss of energy which goes with them. So new approaches have been developed for the last few years, and very successful one and very promising one is the direct coupling of amines and inactivated esters, which means ordinary methyl or ethyl esters. Their direct coupling under mild conditions without any coupling agents, without any catalysts, or without any harsh reaction conditions. And this field has seen a lot of improvements over the past years. Our work was dedicated to finding new ways to implement this strategy to create new amide bond containing products. We tested over 100 reactions with different substrates. As you can see on the figure, this is only a small portion of the whole quantity of substrate that we tested. And we found out that this is a very quick and very useful and very convenient way of producing amides, many different kinds of amides with aromatic and aliphatic amines, fast and easy. Also, we broadened the spectrum of this reaction by including other types of amines, unorthodox kinds, if you can say that, like diphenyl guanidine, biguanides, and aminopyperidine, and similar unusual amines. We established that they also can be transformed into amides using this reaction, and we managed to replicate the synthesis of a few products which has been obtained by various long and laborious procedures just by using our method, like at room temperature for 5 minutes with excellent yields. So several already established commercial or scientific products have been obtained by us with this new form of amide bond formation. While thinking about what other kinds of substrates we can use for this reaction, we found out that 3-ethyl phosphate is also an ester, inactivated ester, and we decided to test it in this reaction, and by that we created a new and novel way of obtaining this kind of NPN bond formation, which is very important in a lot of fields. So we did a series with of these called phosphomimidates, which are very valuable products for a lot of scientific and commercial fields. And this is it. I'm really sorry about it. Thank you for your attention.